Hey, hello, it's me, Marlon O Bennett. This video is for two groups of people. First, those of you who received this postcard or actual a flyer in the mail for my instant lead cash system. You received this postcard for the instant lead cash system in the mail or self-mailer flyer. You've actually watched the demo, you've seen the system, and you purchased the system. Then I want you guys to stay plugged into this video. Now, the other group of people this video is for you guys who received the postcard or the self-mailer in the actual mail, and you actually are considering picking up the SMS phone lease funnel. Congratulations is in order for both of you guys, and welcome to the actual video. Okay, now in this video, guys, what I want to do, because some people are more visual sometimes than they are, to see something in real time. Sometimes it makes more sense than it would be if someone just explained it to you. So what I'm going to invite you guys to do again today, because you've received the postcard, you've already seen this actual system in action, but I'm going to actually ask you once again, if you haven't already, to dial the number 301-298-3842. I want you to dial the number 301-298-3842. Then I want you to listen to a little voice message recording by my wife, and she's going to tell you what she wants you to do. Before that recording ends, guys, you can check your text message inbox. Now, when you do that, you're actually going to be redirected to a page that looks just like this one, right? And that's just the beauty of the actual system. And we're going to be talking about how to set up a direct mail campaign using this system, okay? Using the SMS phone leads system. So what I want to do, guys, we're going to back up one, and I'm going to talk to you guys about everything that you actually will receive when you pick up my instant lead and cash system, the SMS phone lead system. You see how it works. You should be really excited about it. But what I want to do, guys, I want to go into a little more detail about what it is you guys are actually going to have instant access to. For you guys who joined already, you already have this information. But I'm always adding more information to my bonus page. So I want you guys, you can follow along already. You can, just as well. It's no big deal, right? Now, what I want to drive home, right, is we all understand the cost involved in our direct mail campaign, right? We all understand the cost of that, which is why I'm talking specifically about postcard marketing, right? And the SMS phone leads number that you can incorporate in your direct mail campaign is because you can drive the cost down of your advertising by simply using this number or a number such as this, which you're going to have assigned to you as soon as you pick up your SMS phone leads system funnel. But what I want to talk about is some of the other things I'm actually included in your actual bonuses, right? What you're going to get from me when you join the SMS phone leads. Now, it's a voice prospecting system, and you guys already know if you've got it, but for those of you who are still watching and you're still considering picking it up, what I'm doing, guys, is I'm going to actually walk you by the numbers how to set up your own postcard. Now, this postcard, by the way, I'm going to show you how to set one up. It can be for anything. It can be for your SMS phone leads system funnel or anything that you want, guys, okay? I'm going to walk you guys through setting one up. I'm using this postcard for my SMS phone leads number, and you guys got to see that demo. You saw where it redirected to, right? So right below that video, you'll be able to click here, and you'll be able to go over to the actual interface where you can actually create your own postcard for anything that you want, by the way, in less than 10 minutes, okay? We're also going to talk about how to get buyer leads, okay, at wholesale for your SMS phone leads postcards or any direct mail business that you choose to promote and market. Doesn't have to be for this. It can be for anything. If you're in direct mail, you need more stamps, right? You want more cash. And so we're going to talk about how to do that. And so what we're talking about are buyer leads for your postcards or any direct mail campaign, right? But not only are we going to show you how to do that, we're going to show you how to do it and create an additional income stream at the same time. How cool is that, right? So now you're already involved in direct mail. You're already mailing something. And if you're not, you're going to have everything that you need to jump in here and hit the ground running with all of the bonuses and the training that I'm going to actually give you instant access to when you join as a member. Again, those of you guys who already joined, big props, congratulations. You should have actually instant access to this information already. If you're watching this video, below this video is going to be a continue button. If you haven't joined, and you'll be able to pick up the SMS phone lead system and everything else that I'm going to show you guys right now. So when you're ready to get started and learn about those leads we talk about, you can click here to order your leads. Let's click it, guys, and see where it takes us. That actual link just below this video takes you over to my Impact Mailing Club. The Impact Mailing Club is that business that's going to enable you to create an additional income stream, but it's also going to enable you to perpetuate your direct mail marketing campaign. Okay, now you guys can, at your leisure, click that button, watch and understand exactly how the Impact Mailing Club works. But in essence and in a nutshell, what it's going to do is enable you to collect leads and stamps, guys, as well as cash. Okay, so now we're talking about perpetuating your direct mail campaign. Now, because I love to over deliver, guys, I took it a step further than that. Okay, because if you guys join inside of the Impact Mailing Club, which is going to enable you to buy buyer leads, right, for your direct mail campaign. Also, if you email me, and I'll leave the information, it'll be on this actual bonus page. I'm going to show you guys how you can get what I call direct mail self-mailer flyer, if you will. Let me see if I can find that page, guys. There it is. That direct mail self-mailer flyer, we're talking about cutting down the cost of your advertising, right? So oftentimes in your business, you know, you're stuffing envelopes, you're printing 1, 2, 3, or 4 pages, I don't know, depending on your direct mail campaign, the correspondence. But what I've done here, guys, is I want to simplify the process. But not only that, I want to make it a little more inexpensive, right? If that makes sense. So when you have the self-mailer flyer, which I'll throw in, by the way, absolutely free, you can take your Impact Mailing Club flyer, which would be on the other side of this, right? Once you join, and you can simply have the self-mailer flyer mailed or printed, and you can mail them. And so we're talking about a simple two-sided flyer. It's going to, one, cut down on the cost of buying envelopes and having a lot of additional printing done. We're talking about two-sided flyer, just 2 pages, front and back. And what I've gone out and done is I've already got everything set up for you here on that page. So what happens is you request a page by simply emailing me, and I'll send it to you. And then you can simply come up here at the very top, wipe my name and return address out, come down here at the bottom, add your contact information, and then you're ready to go. How cool is that, guys? So that's just another one of those things that I'm throwing in for all of you guys who join. But again, I went a little further than that, guys, and what I've included is some additional training and information that you guys will have instant access to, where you can learn a little bit more about marketing, and you don't have to pay an arm and a leg for it, because I've included some great training inside of your bonus website. For one, we're going to be talking about Craigslist advertising, okay? And right from the page, guys, if you have a Craigslist account, you can click the link and go right over to your Craigslist account, and following the training that I'm going to be throwing in when you guys purchase your SMS phone lead system or join Impact Mailing Club, and you'll have the Craigslist training. Now, we're going to talk about nationwide newspaper advertising, because, guys, when you talk about that SMS phone leads number, you can run ads inside of nationwide newspaper advertising, bulk classified advertising we're talking about here. I've seen ads inside of here for as little as $35. They include penny savers, shoppers, the whole 9 yards, guys. We're talking about being able to just simply log into the nationwide newspaper classified advertising site and placing a classified ad and using your SMS phone leads number in conjunction with these classifieds. Okay, so you'll be able to find all of that great information there as well. In this video, guys, I'm going to tell you right now, what I'm going to be showing you guys is how to text blast 200 business opportunity seekers every single day in 3 simple steps in less than 1 minute. I'm going to say that again, guys. You're going to discover how to send a text blast to 200 business opportunity seekers every single day in 3 simple steps in less than 1 minute. That's part of that text message marketing. Okay. And again, for you guys who haven't joined yet, you're still watching this, there'll be a link below this actual video continue button. You guys will be able to pop on over there and pick up your SMS phone leads. And guys, guess what? I got some additional bonuses in here that you guys will be able to click and check out as well. They include banners, traffic exchanges, solo ads, anything and everything that you could possibly need and or imagine to get your direct mail campaign up and running. But not just that, how to start learning how to actually marry your direct mail marketing campaign, your direct mail campaign with the power of the internet. Online, okay? Classified ad sites, Craigsllst. We talked about all those things. So that's just something I wanted to make sure that I shoot you guys a quick email to let you know that that's what's available to you. If you haven't watched the actual demo, guys, take just a couple of minutes. That's all it really takes to actually watch the live demo. I showed you guys where it redirects to, but once you dial the number on your screen or the number you're watching, you watch your text message inbox, and then you just get to witness in real time the awesome power of text message marketing. So now we're talking about 2 business opportunities, 2 completely different income streams, and what you can consider businesses in and of themselves, right? In their own right, being able to marry the 2 of them together to make even more money in your direct mail business, right? To generate even more stamps, right? Even more leads, right? This is what you want. This is what you need. And so I want to thank you guys again for responding to the actual postcard. If you guys are having problems creating your postcard, let me know. I can actually create the postcard for you, you know, the whole 9. I'll do the graphics and everything. Now that would cost you, you know, you don't have to use me to do it because I walk you guys through the process. But if it's just something you don't want to be bothered with, you can also email me about that. We'll get your postcards up, and it can be for anything you want, by the way. And it's just an exciting time to be an entrepreneur. Again, thanks for all you guys who joined. For all you guys who are still just sitting on the fence watching this, it's a powerful tool, guys. And we're talking about 2 separate concepts that complement each other that can help grow your business, okay? Don't forget to reach out and contact me with any questions that you have. I can't wait to hear from you guys. Thanks again. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep your eyes on your email inbox and on your post office box or mailbox as well. I'll see you guys on the next video.